Okay, hello guys. This is a new video of me, Michel Slender, and this time I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the auxiliary heating key. As you can see, this key is dead. It doesn't do much. Battery is empty, so we need to exchange it. I already did some pre-work. The correct battery to use is the 2430. I bought a Duracell in this case, but any other 2430 will do. Well, to change the battery, you need to open the key, which is rather straightforward. At the back of the key, there's this little thingy, little button, which you have to press. And if you will do so, the top will come right off. After you've opened the top, you need to turn it around, and then you can see over here it says push in the black part over here. So it's rather easy. Push it in and slide it out. Remember how the battery is located in it, with the rear side up. Put it down in the same way. Open the packaging. I had to use a scissor to be able to open it. So I did it right now. Here's the battery. Old one out. New one in the same way. Put the key together again. The push part should be aligned with this side. Click it in. Take the top. Can turn it around so you can see the lot. And there it is. And now the key should turn on again. And it does. Everything's working. Well, if you like this video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and come back for more videos like this. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye bye.